Hello all, welcome from AMT Specialist Cars here on this glorious day in Leeds, West Yorkshire. Sun shining, and what a glorious car we've got for you here. So please excuse the glare, but what you have here is 21 plate Mercedes-Benz S350d AMG line premium. Bit of a mouthful, but the premium is all the additional spec that you get on the car. It's got a load of cameras on it, so reversing camera, 360 camera, even got a dash cam. We have the 20-inch multi-spoke AMG alloy wheel. Hello. Keyless entry, keyless go, privacy glass, and more to come. Now have a look at that new dash in the S-Class. Absolutely stunning. And this display in front of the steering wheel is actually also 3D. So it amazes me, absolutely amazes me. We've got heated seats, 3-stage memory, Burmester surround sound. Have a look at that. The ambient lighting out here doesn't, I mean, it's still bright, but wait till you get the car in the dark. Hello, obviously a sliding panoramic roof. And have a look at the back there, them comfortable cushions for your headrests. It is 3 seats, but you do also have a ski load through in the centre armrest there as well. And the back seats are also heated and ventilated with upgraded sound. What an absolute piece of kit. Coming up to 12 months old. It's only done 3,616 miles. Absolutely beautiful piece of engineering. I'll say I've been told you can't get these brand new, so give us a call. You could argue that this is a car to have someone drive you in as opposed to drive, but not a bad word to say. Please give the sales team a call. You certainly won't be disappointed with this car. We look forward to speaking to you soon.